Pudding without eggs, cornstarch, gelatin, and just 2 ingredients. In a bowl, start by adding 2 cups of natural yogurt. Each cup has 170 grams. Then add 2 cans of 395-gram condensed milk. That's 790 grams total. After that, just mix it all really well. All done, set it aside and let's make the sauce. A cup of sugar. Wait till the sugar totally melts, folks. Sauce flavor is up to you. Then add half cup of water and continue mixing till the sugar completely melts. Once it's like this, it's perfect. Now let's take the sauce and pour it into a mold. Let it cool a bit, then pour all our pudding mix over it. Let's cover it with foil, shiny side down. And now let's get it to our air fryer. You can also pop it in the oven over water bath or even a pot. Set it to 130 degrees and leave it for 60 minutes. Now just remove all the foil and take it to the fridge to chill. Once chilled, now let's unmold it. And look at this, folks, this pudding turns out amazing. Make it at your home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. A big hug, see you next time, and thanks.